So now let's do a simple project. I need to list out all of the things which I need to take from the grocery. So I'm just creating a web page which will be having a heading like grocery, and will be having some list of items which I need to bring. So let's get started with the small project. So I'm just creating a heading 1 for grocery list. Grocery list. So I have created h1 tag, so it is a heading, and then I need to create a list. So there are two types of list. First one is unordered list and second one is ordered list. So at first let me just go through the unordered list. So I will just create an unordered list. For creating unordered list we need to use UL, that is unordered list, and it will be closed with UL as ending tag, and inside that, to list each and every item we need to use another tag called list item, that is LI. So I'm just using that, and let me say fruits. So I need to add fruits into my grocery list. So I have added one item in my unordered list, so I will just add another item. So in order to add another item, I will just include another list item, that is LI and vegetables, and then I will just close that LI. So in the previous video you might have seen that I have said whatever the tag which you have opened at the last, that should be ended at first. So for example, UL I have opened at first, and then I have opened LI. So it has been closed using the closing tag of LI, and then I have used the LI again and it has been closed, and at last we will be closing the UL. Whatever the tag which you have opened at last, that need to be closed at first. So this is a simple logic here. So I have just created a grocery list. So let me just go and refresh my web page. So you can see here I'm having a grocery list and I'm having two items, fruits and vegetables. So this is about the unordered list. So now I don't need this unordered list. So I need to have the ordered list. So let me say I am creating a to-do list here. So I'm just copying this and pasting it here, and I am creating a to-do list for my day. To-do list. So in that to-do list I need to have the task which is in the priority. Means if the task is at the first, then it is the highest priority task. So I need to have that. So for that I need to use the ordered list. So how it will change? So let me just show. So create course. So it is my first priority, and then reading books. So it is the second priority. So I'm just saving this. So I'm just refreshing my web page. You can see here I have created another list, and which is a ordered list. So here we are getting an order, means the first one which we have written, that will be having the order of 1. So in the same way we can even change the orders, like you can even include ABCD or Roman. So all of that we can include, but for that we need to use CSS. At present we are learning HTML, so stay tuned, you will be learning that in the CSS section. So this is about the ordered list and unordered list in brief. So now here's a question for you. Can we include the unordered list inside the ordered list? So let us just check it out. So I'm just copying this unordered list and I'm just placing that within the ordered list. So if I just save this and just go and refresh this page, you can see here it works. And fruits and vegetables, these two are the tags which are, so let me just, so you can see here the fruits and vegetables, these are the unordered list. So unordered list will be having a dot. So you can see the dots here, it is an unordered list which is present inside the ordered list. So then we will be having the two ordered list which we have already defined. So can we do the vice versa? Means can we include the ordered list inside the unordered list? So let's check out. So I'm just using this. and I'm just creating OL here, that is ordered list, and here I will be closing the ordered list, and everything is fine. I'm just going to save this and I'm just going to refresh. So you can see here we can also print the ordered list inside the unordered list and also the unordered list inside the ordered list, but you can see there is some kind of formatting problem. So basically this is used when we are having a point and inside that we are having some subpoint. So for example, if I just remove this and after li, if I just add this, so you can see the difference here. So inside fruits we are having 2 points, 2 points which need to be discussed, like that we are using this. So this is about the ordered list and unordered list, and please go to the quiz and it will really going to help you to understand more, and also practicing will be really going to help.